we are about to walk on the walls of Bargate Castle here in Southampton while waiting for our ferry, St. Michael's Church. And then we were on a train.